I'm Robin Clever and today I'm going to show you a self-drilling low-torque timber screw from ForgeFast, and later on a quick tip using this screw. ForgeFast has a complete range of elite performance screws. The ForgeFast self-drilling low-torque timber screws have all the benefits of the self-drilling thread and the Elementec 2000 anti-corrosion protection. It's a heavier 7-gauge screw for exterior landscaping and construction projects. It's got a dual drive head, which means you can use a hex nut or a Torx bit. And the flange head ensures a solid connection. The angled cutting ribs help with countersinking. It's got a reinforced neck that stops the screws from snapping. It's a Deckmark quality assured product, available in green and tan, and 65, 100, 150, 200 and 250 millimeter. The exceptional strength comes from a hardened case and core. The sharp point for faster bite enables you to even get through steel, which is 0.8 millimeter thick. It even has molecular lubrication, which helps reduce friction and torque. And it's CE approved for use in load-bearing timber construction. So I use a lot of glue laminated timbers for my structures. Here is a typical sort of rafter foot, if you like, and I need to fix these back to the wall plates. And the best screw for these are the ForgeFast self-drilling, low-torque timber screws. They come in such good lengths that I can fix all the way through the back of the rafter. If I've got a bird's mouth there, I get the perfect connection between the corner of the wall plate, and you can see how beautiful it is. I know it's never going to be seen again. The roof's going to be battened and tiled and covered. And years ago, we would have just nailed these through the sides or had to put brackets on. This is a game changer for me. So if you're using large format timbers like me and you're connecting timber to timber, these are a great solution. If you've got a big bit of timber and you can't get a screw long enough, which I doubt, counterbore your timber, drive this in, use one of the long bits from ForgeFast, and the job will be perfect. So that was the self-drilling, low-torque timber screw from ForgeFast, and a little tip to make your life easier. So for more tips and to see the rest of the Elite range, follow the link on screen, and thank you for watching.